Welcome back for another segment of Quick News. I am Charles Hyatt and you are listening to Good News Jamaica, where we concentrate on positive information and imagery about Jamaica and Jamaicans globally. So today, let's talk about the critically acclaimed film Sprinter, which is now available online.
Are you sure you want to do this?
I'm going to America to help our family.
Set. It's Akeem Sharp who's now in front. It's Akeem Sharp who's still win. They're calling this young man the Rat the Rugged.
Akeem, there's no shortcut. Not in track and field, not in life.
You seem to have come out of nowhere. Now you're being hailed Jamaica's next big sprinting sensation.
Rasta Rocky, it's a brand. So I make some money.
You're on a dangerous path. No man can outrun the choices he makes.
Many setbacks and dreams are uncovered in this film, which hits all the normal emotions like happiness and sorrow and yearning and loss and reward. The good thing is, everybody can see it now. They just signed a wonderful deal with Netflix, which put them on for the US, Canada, and the Caribbean region. But don't worry. Remember I said Sprinter's there for everybody. So you can get Sprinter on Apple TV, Amazon Prime, Google Play, Xbox, and film director Storm Salter explained that it is now available on YouTube's pay service, rental service. He proudly mentioned that the film is available to everyone in the world that has access to YouTube and not just people in the USA. Storm has worked very hard for many years, and this is a reward about not just getting to know, but mastering the system connected to your passion. A lesson for all of us to remember. If you haven't seen the movie, go see it. Choose whether it is YouTube or ITV, whatever it is. Whatever it is. See the movie. It is a beautifully done, authentic Jamaican movie. And like I say, it's going to touch on all your emotions. So spend the time watching the film and enjoy yourself. And go tell a friend to watch it and enjoy themselves, right? This is Jamaica at its finest. Big up yourself, Storm Salter. Big up yourself, Netflix and Apple TV and all the other mediums that this thing is on. It's a good look. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment for us so that we can know that you like our content. Keep coming back and tell your friends about it. And check out goodnewsjamaica.com, where you'll get to see more empowering information about Jamaica and Jamaicans globally. We are doing big things and we should celebrate it. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, Tanaya Yard.